Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add flight options to your trip plan on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the profile button down below in the right side corner, then tap on trip plans in the middle of the screen. After that, select a trip, then click on the overview button and then scroll down and tap on flights in the reservations and attachment section. Then tap on search by airline and then type in the name of the airline. Enter the flight number. Click on done, set the departure date and enter flight details manually. So here you can find the flights option here, including the airline, date of departure, so the departure date and date of arrival. Here you can set the confirmation code, the cost, and you can add notes to it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.